Hello everyone, I'm Alfred Wong. Today I will introduce this ELB300, tell you how to use this EV battery pack cell equalizer, this BMW battery module. With the EV battery pack cell equalizer, you have two cables like this. Okay, so that you from the first cable you will have the black color. This is the negative. So you need to find out the battery module, which is the negative. Okay, so use either which use a multimeter, check the current. So this is the negative, this is the positive, and also you can check also the full voltage for it. So you find out this is the negative. Okay, so this is the first cable. Pull out first, don't link it because maybe it will dangerous. Okay, line up first with the negative. You already know this is the negative, and so on. Other than that, that is positive. So plug each of it with the direction from negative to positive. Okay, so each of it plug to the battery pack. Okay, so the second step, you need to turn on the ELB300. Okay, so the battery pack cell equalizer is to balance all of the cell to the same voltage. So we choose this here. So now how much of the voltage of each of the battery cell, we can see it detail in here. So you will see this 3.65, 3.67. okay, so if the battery cell, each of the battery cell is differentiate too many, so that means you need to make it balance. Okay, so now the all cell is already equalized to 3.67. After equalize, you need this battery already good to put into the car because it's already equalized all the battery cell voltage. So okay, so well done for ELB300.